Start by drawing a couple of level lines as shown. Mark these two lines to have a slight forward slope to allow for water drainage. You'll notice that there are 4 pre-drilled holes in the bracket. Fold this bracket to conform to the corner and fasten the bracket into place using at least 1 5/8 inch grabber screws. Once in place, bend the front portion of the bracket over and then fold the little tab over to lock the bracket into place. Place the shelf over the bracket by gently spreading apart. You can then determine if it fits correctly or needs a bit of scribe and trim work to achieve a nice tight fit. When satisfied you have the fit you want, wipe the inside area of the shelf with a clean cloth to remove dust. Dry fit your shelf to make sure you have a nice tight fit. Run a bead of silicone between the panel and the bracket, top and bottom as you see me doing here. Apply silicone to the top and bottom of bracket, staying away from the wall. Apply in dots or a bead. Gently spread the shelf apart and position over the bracket before releasing to avoid a silicone mess. Adjust to proper position and clamp if necessary. Clean joints with denatured alcohol and silicone the top, bottom, and sides. Please allow at least 24 hours before using your corner shelf.